Now, we will see how the task processing is done by next level user. In simpliRP BCMS, we are now logged in as second user, Ajit Sinha. In the dashboard, we can see, it is showing 4 work items pending. Click that. It will take you to the work desk. There, you can see the latest work item, initiated by previous user Alok Sharma. Then, you click on the document. You can see the checklist applicable to that document type is showing on the left side. It is also showing the uploaded document on the right hand side. Now the user can enter the answers to the questions after verifying the document on the right side. User can also upload revised document, if required. You can see the revised document is showing as version and the previous document is also intact. Hence both the documents will remain in the system. You can click and view both the documents. Now user can enter the comments and take action against that work item and save. Now the work item will move to next level. Then, when we come to the dashboard and refresh, the pending work item will reduce to 3. Also, like this, we can have n number of process user levels in the workflow path. simpliRP Business Control and Management System is the easiest way to manage your business process management. Thank you.